guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to do this makeup look on her. She's Ruby, my subscriber. I know.
Hi guys.
Okay, so I have done this beautiful green cut crease look on her. And this is the first time she's wearing so much makeup. So if you want to see how I create this look, then please keep on watching.
So for primer, I'm using the LAKME Blur Perfect primer. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 322. For concealer, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium. Setting her face with the contour kit from Wet n Wild, I'm using the banana shade. Now contouring her face with the same contouring shade from the Wet n Wild kit. I also applied some blush on her cheeks later, but the footage got deleted, so I used the GLAM Girls blusher. For highlighting her face, I'm using the WISP highlighter from COLOURPOP. Now filling in her brows with the Sigma Brow Powder Duo. Using the shade Define Me from Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette, I'm applying that on her crease. Now taking the mixture of Pickle and Pine, I'm applying that on her outer corners of the eyes. And now blending out her crease with the same previous brush. Now applying the mixture of Inspire and So Glam on her inner third of the eyelids. Applying the same crease shades on her lower lash line. Now applying this Miss Claire glitter liner on her crease. Applying some kajal on her waterline. I'm using the Faces Longwear pencil. Applying some mascara on her top and bottom lashes. Now for falsies, I went with PAC M73. And for lipstick, I went with LAKME Masaba Lip Crayon in the shade Cotton Candy.
So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it and tomar kemon legeche?
Darun legeche. And I feel so special being on that channel. And she is a sweetheart actually. Amar to darun lagche. Prothombar mukhe makeup lagiechi and I feel very nice, very different actually. And those eyelashes. Prothombar lagiechi to onnorakomi lagche, but I feel special actually.
Chalo, if you guys like this video and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you again in my next video. Yes, bell button. I hope to see you guys. Oh God. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. Love you all.
Bye.